In this video, we will be learning MITRE ATT&CK framework. What is MITRE ATT&CK framework? So in simple layman language, it is the largest database of all the attacks we have ever seen, and also it's an open source project run by MITRE organization and publish all its data on their website and GitHub. MITRE ATT&CK consists of three major sections: pre-attack, attack, and mobile. Altogether, they comprise end-to-end chain, filled with all the successful techniques and the adversary used in the breach of organization. The attack chain is not new, but the visibility of this framework provided really good. Previously, this information is only to classified researchers. How does MITRE ATT&CK framework help in sharing threat intelligence? The attack framework is widely recognized as an authority of understanding and behavior of techniques that hackers use against organizations today. It not only removes ambiguity and provides a common vocabulary for industrial professionals to discuss and collaborate on the combating of adversary method, but also a practical approach for security. So let's have a demo walkthrough on MITRE ATT&CK website. This is standard website of MITRE ATT&CK. If you scroll down, you'll find attack matrix of enterprises. So in the horizontal, where a dark gray color, you will find a tactics here, and vertical, where this is all a techniques. The tactic can be initial access, execution, persistent, privilege escalation, defense evasion, credential access, discovery, lateral movement, collection, command and control, exfiltration, and impact. And there are many techniques associated with this tactic. For example, if you click on driver compromise, so you will find a detail about it and when it is created and last modified as well. So it has a unique ID, its tactic, its platform where it got, and permission required. So this is all about the matrices of enterprise matrix. When you click on tactics, you'll find all the tactic associated with it. And technique, all the technique associated with it. Recently, there is an update of sub technique. We're still in a beta mode, but it's really interesting. When you go on attack matrix of enterprise, click on show sub techniques, where you will find all the sub technique associated with the technique. For example, if we consider of initial access phishing, you will find a 3 sub technique associated with it: a spear phishing attachment, spear phishing link, and spear phishing via services. As you start reading and learning about this MITRE ATT&CK, it finds you more interesting and you have more data about it. There are so many tactic and technique associated in a detailed form. Groups in MITRE ATT&CK. There are tons of research who did research on APT group, where you will find entire detail of any specific APTs. If you go for APT1, you will find all its description, its associated techniques with mobile enterprises and pre-attack.